Introducing the Shuriken Business Jet. I really should have taken better care to figure this out ahead of time. Here we go. Bit of an odd plane. I've recently scaled down the weight a lot after learning that a jet of this size wouldn't be more than about 3 or 4 tons. Let's see what we can do here. Current altitude 3,000 feet, so I'll set it for a cruising altitude of 4,000 feet. It's completely controlled by the computer, or at least the altitude. You don't want to control this thing. It's a bit of trouble. Oop, that ain't the right button. There we go. I can turn off the wing level and attempt to do something with it. Secret is subtle movements. This thing's a lot more maneuverable than it looks, and a lot more likely to lose control. The wing level system is pretty good. Already, it evaded a crash at only 1,000 feet off the ground. I've got it set up to cruise slightly forward but upward at all times. The upward motion forces the nose down, so it cruises like this to gain speed. Currently I'm recording speeds of around 170, 180 miles per hour and climbing at an altitude of approaching 4,000 feet. Once I hit the required altitude, it'll accelerate faster. Unfortunately, it isn't as fast as a regular business jet, but you're gonna have to bear with it. This would be more for maybe an observation plane. At some point in the future, I'm probably going to fix the engine pods because they look ridiculous. I'll post a new video when I get that fixed up, okay? I'm at altitude. This thing should get 400 miles per hour or so if left in a straight line long enough, but more normal is about 280 to 300. To land, you lower the throttle setting, which causes the nose to come up in an attempt to compensate. Increasing the throttle after the nose begins to rise will rapidly slow the plane, allowing for a near vertical descent. Not only is this thing able to slow down to a near hover, it can fly backwards under the right circumstances. But will usually rotate itself around at some point to try and compensate for this. 80 miles per hour and dropping. We have backwards mode. We have reverse momentum. And stop. Overall, not bad, but a bit of an odd plane to get used to flying. Okay.